Hello everyone, thank you for joining on my another live stream. I hope you're having a great day. Today's the 20th of October 2020 on Tuesday. So let's check some charts and talk about the P wave of Ichimoku today. So the market looks to be volatile today. It's going up and down. So we'll look at a couple pairs. So let's see. I hope you're having a great day and great trading day. Let me adjust the camera a little bit like this way. Okay. Alright, so every day I talk about different topics, and today is on Tuesday. So every Tuesdays and Thursdays, mainly I talk about Ichimoku 5 lines. Today's topic is about P wave. So let's get started. Oh, sounds a bit small. Alright. Hold on, let me adjust the microphone and the volume. Yeah, kind of strange that sometimes the volume actually gets lower by itself. Yeah, this is, yeah, the voice looks to be from the microphone. The settings okay. Let me check the system of PC. Hold on, sorry about the time. Let's see. Looks like this is all okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, I think this is better now. Can you hear my voice clearer now? And if there's any audio issues or any camera issues, please let me know so that I can adjust it anytime. Okay, so let's see who's here first. And I can see Josie is here. Thank you for joining. And Senior, Karim, Nakib, and Kayon, thank you for joining as always. Good to see you. GBPAUD is up. Alright. We'll check on that one too. Ugnet, thank you for joining. Good to see you. And Tuan, thank you for joining. And Arukari, Freddy, Niels, thank you for joining too. And Melanie, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Alright, and Aditya, Fredo, Greed, Vincent, Valentino, Golam, and Mupet, thank you for joining. Let's see. I can see Archit, Roy, and Anil, Thanapol, thank you for joining everybody. Good to see you. Oh, now it's better. Okay. Great. Audio is better now. Okay, great to hear that. I don't know. Maybe sometimes when I restart the PC, maybe it just goes back to the default. So I will make sure to volume up on the PC setting when I restart the PC next time. All right, and let's see. Hi Maru-san, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Okay, and Mikuruk and Shaun, thank you for joining. All right. Nyambar and Dinesh, Boris, Suresh, Matues, Louis, and Roger. Welcome. Okay, so now that sounds better. Let's start talking about some markets today. And before starting, just quick announcement is that I have official moderator, and Marusan has been a moderator for me, and also another one, Yoran, has been my moderator too. So when you come to my website and if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the whole program. Program guys here. Today's 20th, so the topic is about Ichimoku P wave. Tomorrow is about the trend by KTS, and the day after tomorrow, 22nd, I will talk about Ichimoku Y wave. So you can see whole schedule here, and everything is saved on the archive, and you can see the playlist on each topics Forex Tester for Ichimoku, KTS, and Money Management, Psychological Management playlist are here on my YouTube channel. So if you miss one of these lives, you can always enjoy them by clicking the archive. So that's here, and all the way below there is a introduction for the moderators. So you can enjoy their words, and they are the ones who are actually organizing my community. Alright, so let's see. Hi Yuli, thank you for joining, and Jack, Clement, WM Greed, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Okay, so let's get started. Let's jump into the market now. So starting from the Euro USD, we see some trends now on a couple pairs. So let's see which one is trending now. So Euro USD is flat daily chart, and on the forward chart, this is also flat. So I won't take this one. Next one, Euro GBP forward chart flat, daily chart is also flat, so not this one. Euro JP, it's flat, and forward chart, this is flat. So let me just go over these pairs now and see which one is trending. So next one, GBP USD forward chart flat, and the daily chart is also flat. GBP JPY daily chart flat, and 4 is, I think it's also flat. Yeah, this is also flat. USD JPY forward chart flat, daily chart flat, and USD CAD, this is also flat. The price is in the Kumo now, Chikou span touching, pretty much flat, ranging market, and forward chart, this is also flat. Wow, everything is flat so far. CAD-JPY forward chart is flat, and the daily chart is also flat. And AUD-USD, we start to see some trends, I believe. AUD-USD daily chart is still flat, but we see Kumo breakout now. So looks to be this is going down. And also forward chart, this is trending down. I mean, technically, the direction became flat because the Kumo and Kijun Sen is flat now, but it can go down. It can continue to go down. When the low gets lower, then that will make the Kijun Sen down, and this Senko span B to go down. So in this forward chart, we can wait for 3 and 55 minutes more and see if the Kijun Sen will go down and Kumo will go down. If that's the case, then we can look at the lower time frames to capture some trends. But yeah, here AUD-USD is trending down, so this is a nice downtrend, so I will just mark it. And AUD-JPY. AUD-JPY forward chart also looks to be downtrending, so let's compare it with the daily chart. On the daily chart, Kumo, the price is below Tenkan Kijun Kumo, Chikou span below the candles, but we can see forward chart to be more trending down. So in this case, I would take forward chart, not the daily chart, to follow this downtrend. So yeah, this one is also downtrending. And the next one, Euro AUD. This is the one that is spiking up now. So, and let's look at the daily chart just in case. On the daily chart, this is also moving up. Hold on, let me zoom in. If we can zoom in like this, then yes, Kumo is up, Kijun Sen is up, Chikou span above the candles, so this is uptrending on the daily chart. And also forward chart, in 4, this is also trending up. So it's a nice uptrend. So we can look at the lower time frames, either 1 or 30-minute chart, and see which one of these time frames are actually trending up also. Then finally, we can look at the lower time frames to capture some trading edges to buy. One thing is that the because this is quite a strong bullish trend, it might retrace backwards. So always make sure to draw some lines. I would look at the daily chart and see if there's any recent high on this price level of 1.674 right now. So if I look back the charts, there is one wick pointing upwards here. Looks like there was one resistance and second time of resistance here, but so it might be resisted and go down. Yeah. And with that in mind, we look for buy chance to expect the potential breakout towards the upside continuously. But you know, it's always nice to mind this price level so that you can deal with the price direction when it goes backwards. So Euro AUD is definitely trending, so I will mark this one. And finally, GBP AUD. Yep, GBP AUD is also trending up, and for our chart, this is also moving up too. And always look at the previous high, and we see this line. We see a 1.843 level is actually the recent highs. So we have 1, 2, 3 highs, and the price is reaching towards this recent high as a forced trial. So it might be resisted in this area and go down. We have to mind that also. If it breaks up, then we can always look for the next pushback and buy from there. So I will keep my eyes on this Euro AUD and GBP AUD continuously towards the end of the day today in Japan time, because looks like this is still going up. So let's see. What else? Right now this is moving up, and let's see. Let's look at the lower time frame. So let's take a look at the Euro AUD first and go down lower time frames. So in 1 hour, this is also moving up. It's a beautiful uptrend confirmed on the mid time frames, and also 30-minute chart. Let's see. Yep, the 30-minute chart also trending up. So we can go below lower time frames and look for the trade chance. So 15. Let's see. So the price once went below the Kijun Sen, but now it's going up. Chikou span above the candle still in 15. So this is nice bullish confirmation. And I am actually looking for the P wave because I wanted to talk about P wave as today's topic. So if I happen to find it, then I will let you know. But let's see. Here are the Bollinger Bands, and Bollinger Band looks to be expanding now. It's not really squeezing enough, so I won't take the Bollinger Bands in this case. Let's see. Stochastics is almost gold crossing. It's towards the gold cross, so that's something that we can expect as one of the confirmations to buy in this case. What else? We can draw the counter trend line break. There was a counter trend line break happened like this. So that was one of the trading edge on this breakout. Let's see. We can draw the lines too. We can draw the support line or the trend line. We can draw the trend line like this way. And let's see if this is touching on these levels. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 supports. So once the price comes back to this line, it might be supported and go up this way. So that's something that we can expect as the future trading edge. But yeah, right now it's just going up on this bullish in the waves. So I still expect the market continue to go up. But in this 15, I don't find any trading edges, like 3 confirmations. So let's go to 5 and see if we can find 3 confirmations to enter. Let's see. So here is the 5-minute chart. And let's see. In 5, well, in this case, this is band walking. The price in between the deviation 1 and 2. And currently it's going up this way. So this is one of the confirmations. It's band walking. So we can expect the market to continuously go up this way. Let's look at the stochastics. Okay, stochastics is already gold cross way in the back and it's just going up right now. So next thing that's gonna happen is a dead cross. So we can't take this stochastics as the confirmation to buy. So far we have only Bollinger Band walking. And in this case, I will just wait for the retracement. I will just wait for the retracement pullback, and once the market start to go up, I will capture this area to buy. And in that case, this might be one of the Fibonacci lines in this area. The buy point might be one of the Fibonacci levels, and also there might be a candle trend. I might be able to draw the candle trend line, and once it breaks, that will be another confirmation to buy. And I will look at the Bollinger Bands again, and if it squeezes enough, if the Bollinger Band come closer, and if it squeezes like this, then that will be the third confirmation, and then I take a buy finally, so that when it breaks out, I expect the market breaks upwards this way. So this is the scenario that I create in my head as soon as I see this kind of market. So once again, I won't just jump in to buy just because the price is going up. I always make sure to look for at least 3 confirmations to enter, so that the trade can be logical and I can be objective to the market, which is very important because I have the objectivity and logical mind to the market to take buy or sell. Then afterwards, even the price goes backwards, I know what to do. And if the trend persists and if the market goes towards my direction, then I can think of that next scenario onwards. But if I just take trades like intuitively or by the gut feeling, whenever there's any spikes up and down happens in the market, I might be upset or I might be frustrated, which was exactly happening for me when I was a newbie. And that's why I look for 3 confirmations, so that I can always make sure to find the trading edges all the time. So unfortunately, we don't find a P wave in this chart, but I think it's more important to talk about the trade setup because this is trending. So yeah, let's see. So that's EURAUD. Oh yeah, AUD is moving today, yeah, because I saw the currency strength chart and AUD has been going down right now. Yeah, right here. Here is the currency strength chart. This is one of my favorite website. You can just Google currency strength chart, or you can find a link below description where I talk about this beautiful tool. But here is the AUD. You see AUD in the blue line, and the blue line is going down. So AUD is being sold right now. And this is one of the reasons why AUD is moving. And also, if you look at the GBP, pound has been going up right now. And also euro too. Euro is in the red color, and euro is all the way up here too. And that's why euro AUD currently is going up, because the euro is bought and AUD is sold, and that's why the market goes up this way. And so is the GBP AUD. Because GBP is strong and AUD is weak today, right now, we see the market is trending up now. So, but just by looking at this chart, we don't know which pair is making the market move. Maybe strong AUD, maybe weak AUD is moving the market up, or maybe strong GBP by itself is making the market up. We don't know which currency is actually making the move, and to know that, you can refer to this currency strength chart. Maru-san, thank you for posting the link. You can also find a link on the chat, or Maru-san posted the link. So yeah, anyways, that's what I can see right now. So yeah, but for now, I don't find any trading edges to buy, so I will just wait until I see 3 confirmations to enter. And let's look at the GBP AUD. Once again, if you look at the higher time frames, if you're coming late today, let me restart the analysis. So GBP AUD also looks to be uptrending right now, and the forward chart is also uptrending. And in this case, the forward chart Kumo is trending more up, more stable, and more longer Kumo than daily chart. And also Kijun Sen has been moving up too. If you look at the daily chart, you know, the Kumo just twisted and moved up, and Kijun Sen just came above the Kumo. So in the daily chart, to me, this is just the beginning of the uptrend, or it might reverse backwards. It might reverse backwards soon on the daily chart. But if I look at the 4, this is more stable downtrend to me, because you know the price has been all the way above Tenkan Kijun Kumo. Kumo's longer than daily chart. Chikou span way above the candles. Has been above the candles. So this is nicer uptrend to me. So I take the 4 in this case, and I will look at the 1. This is also trending up. Yeah, 1 hour chart looks to be beautiful uptrend, and the 30-minute chart is also uptrending now. So in this case, I can take either 30 or 1. Yeah, no matter which one I take, it can be the confirmation for the uptrend. So I guess I will just take either one, just 1 hour chart in this case, and then moving down to 15-minute chart. And 15, I can see this bullish momentum first of all by Ichimoku 5 lines. The price is above Tenkan Kijun Kumo, Chikou span above the candles, and let's see. Let's look for buying chance. So right now the price is above the deviation 1, so I can say that this is band walking. So the price may back to deviation 1, it might be supported and continue to go up this way. That's one of the cases. And also, let's see. Let's look at the stochastics. Okay, so stochastics in a 50-minute chart, this is about to be gold crossing. So this is something that I would wait for the next couple minutes. And yeah, I guess so basically I just wait for the pullback. Like this move, I will just wait and buy. And once again, I already prepared the Fibonacci levels like this, and I expect the market might bounce off of one of these lines. Maybe 23.6 might be the one, because there was a recent high here. So it might be supported by this level. 23.6%, and it may continue to go up this way. That's one thing that we can expect, and it might continue to band walk. And also, we might be able to draw the counter trend line, and at the breakout, that will be a great buy chance. So that will be the scenario. And this is the case in 15-minute chart. And this is not the JPY cross, so I can't take the Tokyo box breakout strategy. I was gonna show the sessions, but yeah, I just realized that this is GBP AUD, and this is not the JPY cross, so I guess I will just I won't use the Tokyo box breakout in this case. Let's see. Let's see. So another one will be I will look at the 5-minute chart. Okay, in 5, this looks to be consolidating now. The market looks to be consolidating now, and we find P wave finally. We find P wave finally here. So I will talk about the P wave also, and I will present how I capture the potential breakout towards either up or downwards by the Tenkan Kijun Sen. So this is the typical type of a P wave where the highs are getting lower and the lows are higher now. So the price might go within the range like this. And when it happens, I look at the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen to expect which way the price might break. So let's show the Ichimoku lines. And now I can see that the Tenkan Sen is above the Kijun Sen. Right? Tenkan Sen is the blue one, and the green one is the Kijun Sen. And I can see that the Tenkan Sen is clearly above the Kijun Sen. So in this case, when I see the P wave, I expect the market to go up this way. So, and it can be seen in any time frames. When you find this P wave on the daily chart, then you can identify it, the breakout direction potentially by the Tenkan Kijun Sen lines. If the Tenkan Sen is above the Kijun Sen in the range, then most likely the price will break up. If the Tenkan Sen below the Kijun Sen, most likely the range will be broken downwards. Simply. Let's see. Okay, so let me finish up looking for the trading edges in 5, and let me come back to some comments. So here is the Bollinger Bands, and now it's band walking, and it might be supported by this deviation 1 and might go up continuously. So that's one of the scenarios. And since there is a little pushback here, I will take the Fibonacci. I will take the Fibonacci lines and see if this line is one of the levels. And I can see that this previous low was at 23.6%. If I take the low here, then it was definitely bounced by this 23.6%. So this is one of the confirmations for this bounce. And also band walking is the second confirmation. So I will just look for one other confirmation to buy. Let's look at the stochastics. Let's see. Oh, stochastics is already gold crossing a couple minutes ago already. And it's about to be dead crossing next. So I won't take the stochastics here in this case. Let's see what else. We might be able to draw the counter trend line. or I mean this is a P wave. We can draw the P wave like this, and it might break upwards. That might be the case too. So we'll see if the breakout towards the upward happens. And in the meantime, let me come back to some comments now. So I think the way I capture trends and look for buy or sell chances is pretty easy. I don't think I'm doing something difficult. So hopefully you can understand the way I take trades too. Let's see. Oh, alright. Yuli says, Mr. K, if we have entered the position as trading edges, but when we saw in the middle time frame the Kijun Sen become flat, but in bigger time frame still have trending, should we wait for or we need to exit? In that case, you can just wait until the higher time frame Kijun Sen become flat for exit timing. Yeah, because you should be riding the trend on the higher time frame. You're not riding the trend on the mid time frames. So always make sure you look for the exit timing once the higher time frame becomes flat. I mean, that's after you are able to place the break-even line. Before the break-even line, then you have to exit even if the higher time frames trending up, you have to exit if it goes backwards. But once you set the break even, then you can keep trading the profit until the higher time frame becomes flat. Let's see, Paul says, hi Kay, is there a strategy we can use to capture trends at the early begins of a trend or to optimize risk reward using Ichimoku? I don't think so. First of all, I don't really look for the beginning of the trend. Once I did it, but I already gave up looking for the beginning of the uptrend or beginning of the downtrend. And so because the beginning of the uptrend downtrends, for example here, you might think that you want to buy here, for example, but this is not really ideal to capture it because this might be reverse N wave still. So until you confirm this reverse N wave, you can't identify this as a downtrend. So a better option would be to sell after you confirm this bearish N wave here. Or in this case, we have this N wave, bullish N wave, so it is more easier for us to look for buy. So at the next N wave creation, we can take a buy so that we can expect this is going to be the continuous bullish N wave and the price continue to go up this way. So in that sense, it is not really ideal or realistic to be able to buy here because the price might go down. Maybe you can only take like 1% risk to buy here if you really want to capture the beginning of the uptrend, but in that case you have to decrease the risk because it might go down still. Yeah, that's my opinion based on my own experience. Yeah, basically we are here to capture the body part, right? Forget about the tail and the head of the fish. Sometimes I use this analogy of head and tail. So if you see this a trend, let's say this is like a daily chart trend and moving up, and the price stops here, and you see, as I say, this is a tail of the fish, and let's say this is the head of the fish. I will just put the eyes here, smiling. And you forget about this head part. You don't want to take trades on this tail part either. You just take this part. you just wait for when the body starts, and as soon as you see the body ends, you exit. And if the next trend, when the next trend seems to happen, then you just get another body part. You just get another body part, but you don't take tries here, or you don't want to take tries at the head. And when you can be consistent to see the market like this way, then I'm sure your profit will grow every month or every year. But if you focus on like looking for the tail of the head at the very beginning of the trend, then because the risk is higher, because you haven't confirmed the uptrend yet, so the risk might be higher and the price might go down this way, So always, right? Always make sure that you follow the trend direction. But until you can identify the trend direction, you can just, wait for the confirmation. Let's see. Hi Karine, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Okay, Aditya says case study Euro AUD and GBP AUD 4 time frame confirmation of uptrend, daily chart, 4 hour chart, 1 hour 30-minute chart. Oh yeah, everything looks to be uptrending now. Can it be interpreted as a strong trending up and the risk of transaction like what Mr. K once said could be 4%? In this case, I will look at the weekly chart. And if the weekly chart also trending up, then I will take more risk, more than 2% risk. So let's look at the weekly chart. So GBP AUD, okay, now it's breaking up. The P wave break up, so that will be a great buy chance. But let's look at the weekly chart. Let's see. Oh, so weekly chart is downtrending. The price looks to be heading towards the Kijun-sen. So yeah, based on the weekly, the Kijun-sen touch will be the initial target. Let's look at the Euro AUD weekly chart. Alright, Euro AUD weekly chart is now the price is going between the Kijun-sen and the Kumo. And this is not really the uptrend still. But once I happen to find the weekly chart is also trending up, then I will take more risk than more risk than 2%. But unfortunately, right now the weekly charts are both flat, or even the GBP AUD weekly chart is going down now. So this is against the major trend direction in weekly chart, so the price might reverse. The price might reverse at the Kijun-sen or anytime. But as long as we see uptrend on this confirmed time frames, then we can just take buy and keep trading the profit as long as the Kijun-sen go up and Kumo go up. And once you start to see Senko span B flat, A flat, and Kijun-sen flat, that's when you look for the exit timing. Because this is now no trends and the price might reverse downwards. So this is going to be the tail part or the head part, or you want to exit, because there might be some retracement and the trend might change and the trend might go downwards afterwards. Oh, Keyon, thank you for the reminder. If you liked today's live already, please press a good button before you leave so that it keeps me going. Let's see. Could you please say that there is a difference between a symmetrical triangle and the P wave? It's the same. I mean, symmetrical triangle and the P wave are the same. And also we have ascending P wave and descending P wave. And these are actually the same as a ascending triangle and descending triangle. Yeah, but what's unique about P wave by Ichimoku is that you can try to capture the potential breakout direction of the P wave by simply looking at the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen locations. Let's see. K on AUD-JPY 50-minute chart, is it a P wave too? Alright, let's look at it. AUD-JPY 15-minute chart. Let's see. Yeah, this is likely the P wave. Yeah, this is like the P wave over here. So the price is now in the P wave. So in this case, you look at the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen. Let's see. And let me cancel the candlesticks. Okay, so we see Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen. So in this P wave, most likely it will break up this way that we can expect. Let's see, yeah, like this way. Let's see. Hi K, GBPAUD 50-minute chart, Stochastics gold cross, 5-minute chart, Stochastics dead cross. Not sure what's the meaning of this contrast. Because of the different time frame, sometimes the line might behave differently. But look for the 3 confirmations, and you can take Stochastics as one of the confirmations to buy or sell. Yeah, sometimes you see dead cross in one time frame, but you see gold cross in other time frame. But don't get confused, right? You know the direction which way you want to take trades. If this is uptrending, then always look for gold cross. If this is downtrending, then always look for the dead cross on any time frames. Abdel says, K, do you use P wave in confirmation in 5-minute chart, 50-minute chart time frames only? I use it in any time frames. P wave can happen in any time frames. Even in the daily chart, when I see P wave, I mark it and try to expect which way the price is going to break in by the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. Let's see. So GBPAUD is going up now. Let's see. Hello Brian, thank you for joining. To see you. Okay, Karen says, for entry edge timing, do you think we can combine 15 and M5 scenario? You cannot combine it. You have to take either 15 or 5. So for example, you can't find 3 confirmations on 5 and 15-minute chart. You can't do that. You have to take either time frames and look for 3 confirmations on either time frames. Will you enter a trade if big and small time frames are synchronizing, as happened today morning in Euro AUD? That's when I look for, once again, look for 3 confirmations to enter. Yes, the lower time frames should be towards the major trend direction, but when it happens, I look for 3 confirmations. I won't just take buy, just simply because the smaller time frames going up, I won't take buy. Yeah, I won't do that. Let's say Nakib and Irene, thank you for joining. Good to see you. GBPAUD is going to explode the upside. Yep, looks like it. So yeah, coming back to this analysis, GBPAUD now in 5-minute chart looks like the price broke upwards, and I still expect the market to continue to go up this way. So after the live ends, I will look for the buy chance and look for trading edges on this pair. And also EURAUD looks to be nice uptrend too. So I will keep my eyes on these pairs for today. Alright, Irene, thank you for joining. And Kus says GBPAUD is going to explode. Yep. I read it one more time. Do you use Fibonacci time zone? I never use Fibonacci time zone. I only use Fibonacci retracement. Freddy says, can't you tell me if New Zealand CAD time frame forward chart is downtrend for you? Let's see. So the question is whether the Kumo is going down and the Kijun Sen is going down in forward chart on New Zealand CAD. Okay, so let's do this. You can please look at the NZD CAD. I won't show it yet, but I want you to look at it yourself. If you are happen to be in front of the PC or mobile, open the chart and open the New Zealand CAD forward chart. And if it's downtrending, then please type down. If you see it's not trending, then type range. And see who's right, who's correct. Yeah, before I just talk about it. I think that would be better to ask everybody else to see beforehand. Because my intention of this YouTube channel is not to give you the fish, but I want to teach you how to fish. Hello Prafula, thank you for joining. And Karine, you're welcome. Yeah, Kumo and Kijun Sen. AUD CAD can start look for sell chance in lower time frames already, alright? Okay, so let's see. I start to see some answers now. So New Zealand CAD forward chart downtrending, alright? And let's see. Okay, downtrending now, breaking recent low, but in this case I would wait until it actually closes below this wick low. Okay, so looks like there's a wick downwards, but technically looks like it's downtrending. Alright, another downtrend comment, another downtrending nicely. Alright, so let's look at the New Zealand CAD, and we're gonna end the live afterwards. NZD CAD and the 4-hour chart. Let's see. Alright, yes, this is nice downtrend. So you got it. Yeah. The Kumo's a little bit too short, so in that case the price might go up, retrace. But yeah, this is nice downtrend, and if I can confirm this downtrend in the mid time frames, then I will look for the sell chance. I just wanted to make sure if there's any recent low in this area. So let me look back the charts, and alright, good. We don't see any supports in the past, so yeah, there's a good chance the price continue to go down in this case. So forward chart looks to be nice downtrend. And let's see, 1 hour chart. Yeah, 1 hour chart looks to be also very nice downtrend. So we look at the 15. 15 also looks to be very nice downtrend as per Ichimoku 5 lines. And the Bollinger Bands, it's band walking. The price going below deviation 1 and 2, and this is band walking. Very nice. Let's see what else we can find. And I would take the Fibonacci bounce or Stochastics. Stochastics is already dead crossing on this candlestick, and this was a little bit too old dead cross. So I will wait for another dead cross in the future. Let's look at the 5. Let's see, in 5, yeah, this is also band walking, and we might see a dead cross in 5 soon, or it is already dead crossing. So we can take the dead cross in 5 as another confirmation to buy. Sell. Sorry, sell. And I would wait for another confirmation. So there was a nice kind of trend line break. And when it happens like this, then I will take a sell. Right now the price is already going down, and so I would wait for the retracement. At the retracement and Fibonacci bounce maybe, and another candle trend line can drone, and I will take a sell afterwards, after the break. Just like we saw it on this EURAUD. GBPAUD. Just like we saw it on this GBPAUD, I will just wait for the breakout and take a buy. And I put the stop loss slightly below the recent low. In this case, I put the stop loss either at this level or this level, and still expect the market to continue go towards my direction. We'll see. So yeah, looks like we have a nice up and down trends on pound and AUD pairs. So we can keep our eyes on these pairs now. How to fish? Yes, how to fish is the most important part. And the way you can fish can be different, in my opinion. I don't think everybody can take the different poles and different like needles. I don't know the name needle. We can use different tools. I mean, but the fish part should be the same. The method or the strategy should be the same. But the tools that you can use can be anything. I offer Ichimoku, Kumo, and Kijun-sen to capture trends. But you can take moving average sometimes, or you can take other tools to capture the uptrend. But mainly, I teach how to fish, and that's the most important part. So that eventually my goal for this YouTube lives or any services that I do, GTS or Ichimoku community, the intention is for you to be able to take trades by your own without me being around you. That's my goal. And Marusan says, I think these lives, first try for yourself, then I show, are an excellent idea, Kei-san. Sure. Yeah. I thought that's a good idea, so I will continue to do that. Yeah. Yeah, you can ask me, okay, please look at this pair, that pair, please look at this time frame, you can ask me that, and I can answer to that, right? I can answer to that based on my view, strategy of the market. But if I just say it, then you might not gonna learn as much. Then try to think yourself whether this is uptrending, downtrending, and ask. Please. Oh, all right. So now looks like this is reconnected. Oh, there we go. Let's see. I wasn't close. Hold on. Oh yeah. So now it's back. Looks like. Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, it's back now. Okay, good. Yeah, because I was gonna close the live stream. I was actually, the closing phrase already. But yeah, once again, thank you for joining, everyone. And I will be ending the live for now. So hopefully we see some nice trends this week and onwards. So make sure to wait for the trend and make sure to confirm it, and make sure to look for 3 confirmations at least to buy or sell. So good luck, everyone, and I hope you have a great day today. Alright, so I will see you tomorrow, and until then, stay healthy and stay gold. Bye for now. またね. Thank you.